Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to talk about another story and its title is The Silver Crown. A wise king once wore a crown made of pure silver. People admired it, thinking the crown gave him power. One day, the crown was stolen. The whole palace panicked, but the king remained calm. He said, "A crown does not make a king, my action do." For weeks he ruled without it, listening to his people, solving disputes fairly, and protecting the weak. Everyone respected him even more. Finally, the thief returned, ashamed. He admitted, "I thought stealing your silver crown would take your power, but I learned power lies in goodness, not metal." The king forgave him and said, "Silver may shine, but a pure heart shines brighter." Moral of the story is valuable metal like silver can be stolen, but character and goodness can never be taken away.